The Neeskay is the University of Wisconsin-Milwaukee School of Freshwater Sciences research vessel. This ship is primarily used for our open Great Lakes water research and nearshore coastal research for our students. So a lot of the different things that we do on the Neeskay has to deal with the lower food web. We're also looking at the water chemistry, the benthic sediment or mud chemistry, and the way that the water interacts with the coastlines. It'll be a really great opportunity for people who will want to get into the Great Lakes research realm, because you'll get that 101 basis. This is how Great Lakes water, open water research is done. Here's how you do it. What does it mean? And you actually can say when you go into the workforce, like, look, I've used a Poner, I've done a Niskin bottle, I've done a Secchi disc, and we're going to show you how to use those instruments, get some hands-on research, and have you actually get out there and use them and see how to manipulate everything with that. And it really helps to just have that in your hand before you actually get out into the workforce.